Take hold of your nafs and get it to yield. Control it like you would control a beast. Just like you would control your riding beast, control your nafs. And the best way to do it is through ibadah and dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Train it to get used to ibadah. Train it to get used to the duroos. All of this social media that is always on your phone at your fingertips. You will look at it for 20 seconds and move on. Because this is the dumbing down of our shabab. The dumbing down of populations. If something they can read for 20 seconds, give them that headline. Scare them with the headline. Make them laugh with the headline. Then they move on. Because all of these things are just fleeting. From one piece of entertainment to the next one, to the next one, to the next one. That's why you have these Twitters. That's why you have Facebook. That's why you have YouTube. That 1 minute, 2 minute, 30 second, move on. Make you laugh, make you cry, make you afraid, move on. That's how they can control you. And that's how they control populations. Social media and these social media companies are controlling your youth. Just in the month of Ramadan, how many brothers have come to me? Ya akhi, my son doesn't pray. Ya akhi, my daughter, she doesn't want to wear hijab. Ya ustad, I don't know what to do with my son. He's having doubts about Islam. How, ya akhi? How is he having doubts about Islam? He has a mobile phone. Someone gives him 30 seconds 3 times a day. Watches this on atheism, watches that on the Big Bang, watches this on evolution, watches that on Darwinism. Give him a diet of that over a few weeks and he will start doubting in Islam. That's how they scared you for 2 years. Be afraid. Don't go near anyone. Don't touch anyone. Don't visit your mother. Don't visit your father. Keep away from this one. Wear 4 masks, not 1. This is how it works, indoctrination. And this is the beauty of Islam. When you study a book of Islam, like Kitab al-Tawheed, Thalathatul Usul, Aqidatul Wasitiyah, the students of the Mashayikh are sitting for 3 years studying one book. Because it takes time. It takes a person to be diligent. You want 30-second knowledge?